fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I have not seen y'all in so freaking long. So I bet y'all like, what happened to the damn girl? Like, why the hell she be posting on her page no more? But yeah, I just came to do a quick like little video of my little how I did my little corner in my room. That's my little ring light back there. I finally got a ring light, which I'm not using today for some reason. Yeah. But anyway, so yeah, I just came to y'all so I could show y'all how I did my little corner in my room, my little area, my little girl area in my room. So if you all interested in that, just keep watching and remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get into it. Bye. Okay, so this is my little rug in my room. I actually thrifted this rug from Goodwill. This rug originally came from Ross for $40, and I paid $5 for it. I came home, washed it, and I let it hang dry. So yeah, that's my big rug in my room. Let's come over here. This is my other little white rug that I actually thrifted. I paid $3 for at Goodwill. Same scenario. Washed it, let it hang dry, and yeah, that's my little rug. And here is my mirror that I actually thrifted from Goodwill also. I paid $20 for this mirror. And they had about 9 of these mirrors. Y'all know I wanted all of them. But I just got one. I didn't do it, I ain't do it how I wanted to do it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I did get this mirror from there also. This pillow here, do I have to say it again? Goodwill. I washed it, dried it. Yeah, so I am a thrift queen. I try not to pay for anything full price, and it's super cute. I love that little pillow. And then this one back here I recently got. I got a little bling on it from there also. So I just set those in my chair. This chair is a high-heeled chair. Can't see the back of it, but it is a high-heeled chair. I just sit in my corner. And then this little lamp I also got from Goodwill. I thought it was super cute. It's small. It sits on my little mirror stand that I also got from Goodwill. Wow, I can't believe how much stuff I go and buy from that place. And then here is another vase that I've got from Goodwill. I love this vase. This vase didn't come like this. It was like a brass looking color. It looked really old, so of course, I did my DIY. And these sticks also came from there too. They didn't come with the vase. I got these probably months after I even got that little vase. So yeah, and these up here are my mirrored stars. I love these. I think they are perfect in here. So yeah, I think I paid about, they're actually huge. They might not look huge on camera, but they are really, really big. I paid $5 each for those. And they're kind of heavy. They're like that iron type material, whatever you call it. Yeah, so those are that. And over here, I have a really girly stand that I actually put my purses and stuff on. I was actually going to throw this out because I just had it. It was just sitting there, and I just used it for my little jackets that I wear every day or every other day or whatever. And then I just put like my purses, my everyday purses on here, and then my black little fanny pack that's over there. So yeah, and that's that. And that's how that looks. And I'm going to step back so you all can see, okay? And over here is, excuse my little wig, honey. But yeah, I love her too. Those little mirrors that you see back there, I actually got from the thrift store too. I think I paid $1 for those little circle mirrors right there. They can hang up or whatever. And then I got this little tray from there too for $1.99. And then I just put all my lotions and stuff like that in there. I have a little TV in my room. I don't even remember the last time I actually cut on this TV. So it's just there. Like seriously. Like I watch TV in the living room. When I go to bed, I go to bed. So yeah, then I have a second vase over here. The same one with the sticks. And then these little stickers that I have on my little table I have here, I actually got from Wish. So yeah, you just peel the back off of them and then you just stick them wherever. And I just came up with that little idea the other day and I thought it was really cute. It actually looked like it came like that. So yeah, I did that. I did that. And then under here I just have my printer and my little packaging stuff. And that's it. So yeah, that's my little corner in my room. I'm gonna back so you all could get a full view of my little corner in my room. So yeah, there it is. My little corner in my room. Oh yeah, this little thing I got here from Goodwill, I don't know what I want to do with it. I want to spray it and then do whatever, I don't know. So it's like a ball on top of a stick. I thought it was really cool. So, I mean, a lot of people wanted it out of my cart. So, yeah. And then that little mirror back there. Back here, I actually got from the Goodwill too. I haven't had time to hang it up or where I want to put it, but I thought about putting it on this wall here because there's nothing there. And then that's the price for my little spear thing that actually sits on the floor. I thought it was really cute. And this is my dresser in my room that I got from Goodwill. Y'all would not believe I only paid $10 for this dresser. I only paid $10 for this dresser. I did, and it's really, 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 really nice. So yeah, and then up here, as y'all know already, my name is Nina. I did find a little N in the Goodwill a day or so ago, and I'm like, hey, I got me an N. Let me just take that home with me. And then this little guy is just like some artwork. I got cut off a while ago, but yeah, this little guy I got from the Goodwill also. And then those back there, these little horses are actually book holders. I just liked them. They was pretty. They like that old mermaid type colors to them. So yeah, and I got two of those. And I got this little tray. And then I got another little thing over there. So yeah, that's the top part of my dresser right there. So yeah, that is what I want you guys to see in my room. So yeah, that's my little corner. I love my little corner. I take my photos and all that kind of stuff here. So yeah, I freaking love it. And that's my headboard I got from Goodwill also for 40 bucks. It is huge. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.